everyone, welcome back to Toby's Real Life Skills. Today I want to work on the Jeep again, and I want to install a light up here. Not any light, I don't want to do it myself. I bought a light. I bought this beauty with on-off switches, white light, and orange blinking light. So we'll see how it goes. It should just go in here, taking the cover off, plugging it into 12-volt outlet. Again, I have a cheap Wrangler JL, so we'll see if that fits. So I hope you can see the light is not the best because I'm in the garage, but we'll take it off. Looks like hex. 1, 2 hex. It looks like this from inside. Not a lot, just plastic. LED strips in here. The buttons, which is nice. And the 12-volt outlet. So the wire we will lead most likely here this way somewhere. I have to see what's the best. I would like to make it as hidden as possible. It does come with some 3M clamps, which you just glue to the glass. I'm not sure if that really will work, but we'll figure it out and try it. Oh, and by the way, if you're wondering why I'm doing it, I want to do it for camping because I think it's nice to have a little light back here. That's what it would look like. The light turning on, it's coming on, turning off. And we have this blinking. It has the white one here, the white one here. You might not like this cold white. I have no idea if I will like it or if I would rather have a warm light, but it is what it is, and we'll try it. It's a hex, but a T15, Torx 15 works well as well. Good. It's installed. Took way longer than it should have been. I like the light so far. Don't know if it will be good at night. It's a weird effect when you turn it off sometimes. We'll see if it's durable or not. We got those little clips. We'll now install here as well. Initially I wanted to have it inside the wire, but we have to do it outside. That's how it comes, it looks like. Shouldn't be a problem though. So I want to do it here around. I want to go in here. I want to use this natural wire somehow, which exists already, and then go down here inside as well. And then there's a 12-volt plug down there, so I'll do that now. I realized, hey, they provide their own hardware. I have it in my hands because I got my own hardware, but you cannot reuse the one from the factory since it's longer, it looks like, or it needs to be longer. So I use the two they provide with it, which is great. I'll do the wire. I'll use isopropyl alcohol because they come with the glue, and I want to make the surface clean. Boom, boom, boom. So here we have the finished product. Click on, click off. And then that's what the wire is. Going back here. So the first clip down here below, that's what the second clip is. Then I used some zip tie for here, going over and inside, from here, sideways down, and here this cable I leave at the moment. That was all for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you can use this as well. I certainly will try it, and hopefully it will last a long time with those screws in. Thanks for watching. Cheers!